Kumusta uli mga karitim dyan? At ito, maggagawa ulit ako ng reaction na video sa paborito nating bandang Franz Rhythm. At ang aawitin nila ay ang kanta ng Abang Mamma Mia. At mukhang nasa sentro si Char uli. Nakapula pa. Okay po, umpisa na natin para mapakinggan. Ang galing mo sa piano ni Char.
I've been cheated by you since I don't know when. So I made up my mind and it's come to an end. Look at me now, will I ever learn? I don't know how, but I suddenly lose control. There's a fire within my soul. Just one look and I can hear a bell ring. One more look and I forget everything. Oh, Mamma Mia, here I go again. Mama, how can I resist you? Mamma Mia, does it show again? Mama, just how much I miss you. Yes, I've been broken hearted. Oh, since the day we parted. Why did I ever let you go? Mamma Mia, now I really know. Mama, I could never let you go. I've been angry and sad for things that you do. I can't count all the times that I told you were through. And when you go, when you slam the door, I think you know that you won't be away too long. You know that I'm not.
Sandali lang. Si Chen talaga ang galing no? Ang galing na sa lead si Chen eh. Kaya maganda lalo pakinggan eh. Tuloy uli.
Not that strong. Just one look and I can hear a bell ring. One more look and I forgot everything. Oh, Mamma Mia, here I go again. Mama, how can I resist you? Mamma Mia, does it show again? Mama, just how much I miss you. Yes, I've been broken hearted. Oh, since the day we parted. Why did I ever let you go? Mamma Mia, even if I say bye-bye, leave me now or never. Mamma Mia, it's a game you play. Bye-bye, doesn't mean forever. Mamma Mia, here I go again. Mama, how can I resist you? Mamma Mia, does it show again? Mama, just how much I miss you. Yes, I've been broken hearted. Oh, since the day we parted. Why did I ever let you go? Mamma Mia, now I really know. Mama, I could never let you go.
Galing!
Thank you so much for watching.
Galing! Ang galing
Only
talaga.
here, it's Franz Rhythm Channel.
Saan ka pa? Franz Rhythm na. Ang galing talaga tong bandang to. At saka sa ano kasi, ah, sa ABBA, ang melody nito, dalawa sila, yung dalawang babae, sabay sila, duet sila diyan, duet silang dalawa. Duet dalawa. Dalawa sila kumakanta sa melody. Kasi apat sila kumakanta, yung second part harmony, At third part harmony, si Chen na ang gumanap at saka si Daddy. Kaya siguro hindi sila sabay ni Char hindi na sumabay si Chen sa melody. Pagpakinggan mo ang ABBA, yung dalawang babae sabay na sabay sa melody. Pag nag-chorus na, yung apat kakanta. Isa sa lalaki ang second part harmony, yung isang lalaki third part harmony. Dahil tatlo lang sila kumakanta, dapat sana kung maano si Dodds, para kumpleto talaga parang ABBA. Pero ganun pa man, maganda pa rin ang dating. Iba kasi si Char din pagka kumanta, napakahusay mga mangupya. Husay ni Char. Tsaka sa keyboard, mahusay si Char. Mahusay talaga. Itong batang to, kahit anong hawakang instrumento, napakahusay. Napakahusay. Iba extraordinary ang pagka musically inclined ni Char, parang ano. Sabagay sila tatlo, yung tatlong bata, lalo na si Chen, puro magagaling. Si Chen din, ang galing sa lead. Marami ring alam, pwede rin siguro mag-drums yan, hindi lang natin alam, nagda-drums din yan, pero hindi lang siya, kasi nandyan si Dodds. Okay po, paki-subscribe na lang yung mga hindi pa nag-subscribe sa sa channel ko. Paki-share na rin. Salamat uli, sa susunod uli. Bye muna ngayon.